In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Binance to GCash 2025 tutorial. We're walking through the exact flow inside the Binance app so you can turn your crypto into Philippine pesos and receive the money in GCash safely and efficiently. Start by opening the Binance app and logging into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your available balance covers the amount you plan to sell. This process works best on the official Binance mobile app. To access all features smoothly, from the home screen, tap P2P. This is Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace where you sell your crypto directly to verified buyers who pay in local currencies. Using P2P means you'll get paid in GCash while Binance's escrow hub keeps your crypto secure until you confirm you've received the money. Next, choose Sell, then select USDT or the specific crypto you want to sell. USDT is the most common on P2P and usually has the best liquidity, which helps you find more offers and tighter prices. Set the fiat currency to PHP. This ensures the price you see and the payment you receive are in Philippine pesos, matching what arrives in your GCash wallet. Now pick a buyer that pays via GCash. Look closely at the buyer's price, available limits, completion rate, and the number of completed orders. Higher completion rates and faster average payment times are good signs. Also, check any notes in the offer about payment cutoff times or exact GCash instructions. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the sale. You can input either the crypto amount or the PHP amount, and Binance will calculate the other side based on the offer price. Double check the total, the payment method listed as GCash, and the time window the buyer has to pay before you proceed. Wait for the GCash payment. The buyer will transfer the PHP to your GCash account within the allotted time. Keep the Binance app open and watch for a payment notification from GCash. Always verify the funds in your GCash app or official SMS before moving on. If anything seems off or delayed, use the in-app chat to communicate with the buyer while staying within Binance's platform. Once you've confirmed the money has arrived in GCash, tap Payment Received, then Release Crypto. This confirms you've been paid and instructs Binance to release the crypto from escrow to the buyer. And that's it. Your crypto has been successfully converted to PHP and delivered to your GCash wallet. Stay safe by keeping all communication and proof of payment within Binance, and you'll have a smooth P2P experience every time.